Thank you for dropping by at the Rocky Homestead today. The weather's calling for rain with a little or no accumulation. When they're talking about it turning snow, and then there's supposed to be a little or no accumulation of snow later on this evening. Well, this is about getting almost at noon right now, and when I'm standing on my porch, and now I want to show you. I want to show you what I'm going to show you what nature can do for us. They can fool us very quickly. So look here. This is what it's doing right at the moment. Little or no accumulation this evening. It's supposed to be raining, and here we are, having a pretty good snow out there. Yeah, we are. Thought I'd walk around a little bit here and let's just see what all how it's coming down and getting covered. It is really getting with it here. Woo, that snow's blowing. Oh, it's cold out here. It ain't real cold. It's about 36. About 36. You hear my chickens? They're all in the chicken house. They ain't coming out in this stuff. Here I am. I'm out here in the middle of it. Getting hold of this for my friends on YouTube to see what it's doing in north central Arkansas right at this moment. It is flat coming down, having a good snow. Well, but anyway, we'll go look in on the chickens here and see what all the crowing is about in there. They're probably just in there walking around saying, I'm not getting out here in this stuff. Here we come here and open this door up. And let's see what they're doing. Look at there. There they are. There are them chickens. Right there. Up there on the nest. Yeah. Well, look at there. One of them decided to lay on the floor, I see. I don't want them to get out, so they don't need to be out here. I know it's hard, you can't hardly see anything, but I gotta go after an egg down here. Let's see here what we can do here. There we are. Yeah, right there. What you're seeing flying around now is dust because of the hen that just jumped off there. There's the egg right there in the floor. My speckled Sussex has a problem of wanting to lay in the floor. I don't know why, but here's the nest. There's the nest. There's with hay, and they just don't want to lay in here. They want to lay outside, out down there in the floor in the corner. I don't know why, but that's what they like to do. But anyway, then we're going to go over to the other side of my chicken house, which has got the rest of my chickens in there. And man, look at the snow coming down. Oh, it's coming down. Big time. Whoop. Hey, about slid down in it. Uh-huh. Woo. That would be a mess, wouldn't it? Because it's kind of slushy when it's hitting. It's trying to melt, but it's not. Anyway, here's my other chickens. Right here. I got to turn my light back on here. There we go. I got the old turkey. Right there's the old turkey. Got dust in here flying around too. Right there's my rooster. That's a colored egg layer. Right there I got a couple of bannies. One's a Japanese bantam and the other one's a BB red. Then up here, that's a rooster right there. He is going to turn into dumplings one day in the near future. And that right there, I'm thinking about keeping him. I'm not sure yet. There's a young hen there. These are all young chickens right here. And the mama, the one that hatched them, I don't see her. Yeah, she's right there. She is right. That's the mama that hatched them right there. She is a good little setting hen. Oh, they're just raising all kinds of cane, just making all kinds of racket. But they haven't laid nothing yet. I got to get them some straw in there too. And anyway, what I've done back in the summer, when the grass got tall and I cut it, and then I raked it up and let it dry, and I put it in sacks, and that's what I'm using for my hen nest. Yeah, because straw, you know, it's coarse, yeah, it is, but it's good stuff. I ain't saying it's not, but I'm just saying that I kind of like the grass, the dried grass. They get to eat on it a little bit, and then they use it for bedding and for their nest. There's a little. This is looking outside. Look out there. It's snowing out there. Yeah, that's out there in their pen. Yeah. Anyway, this gives you a little idea of what's doing here in north central Arkansas. Look, the cats are running. Trying to get out of this snow. But it's flat coming down. But my old house, I gotta work on it some more. But I'm not gonna do it right now. It's a little bit snowy for that situation. But I'm glad y'all stopped by and seen me for just a minute here in this snowstorm that we wasn't supposed to get. Anyway, I thank you for stopping by, and I want to say, may the good Lord bless and keep you until we meet again. This is Jeff on the Rocky Homestead saying bye-bye.